I'm here with Vihan Sharma from Acxiom Europe. Good to have you here.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah. Data is changing the way that how companies engage with their clients and with their users. How is this marketing disruption from your perspective?
So today, what we see is marketers trying to actually use different technologies to improve customer behavior and customer experience. However, every time they use a new technology, we see a new silo being created. Unfortunately, most of the silos do not talk to each other. Therefore, the main objective of having a consumer experience which is coherent is not really the case. And today what we see is marketers want to have a coherent experience for their consumers, and therefore they have a significant need to connect all the technologies that they are deploying today in their markets.
Great. Yeah. So Acxiom is a data provider. What kind of data do you offer the market?
So Acxiom, we historically have data on household level and individual level, which we have collected in the offline world. It'll be data on socio-demographic variables, consumption patterns, home values, etc. And today, what we are seeing is our data is needed in the online digital world and the mobile world, and we are basically working with companies like AdSquare to make our data available into the new platforms for the advertisers and agencies.
Okay, cool. You're in charge of EMEA, so you're VP Audience Solutions, right?
Yeah.
How does EMEA differ to the US? From your offering?
That's a great question. Where we see a difference is in the privacy setup between the US and Europe, right?
Yeah,
so France, UK, Germany, they have three different laws, three different ways of looking at personally identifiable data. Whereas in the US, you have one big organization which has 300 million individuals, and they have the same privacy laws. And I think that's the main difference between the US and Europe. And what we are looking for is GDPR, which is coming out in 2018, to harmonize the privacy setup across Europe, which allows Europe to have the same scale as the US.